Hello everyone, my name is Tutor Firestone. So we have the list of questions related to functions. So the first question is given that fx is equal to 3x squared plus 2 and we are supposed to find the value of f2. Second question is if fx is equal to x squared plus 1 equal to x over x minus 3, find the f of 4. The last one is the function of fx is equal to 2x squared plus b and f of 2 negative 2 is equal to 10. Find the value of b. So let us start. First question is we have fx which is equal to 3x squared plus 2. Now we are supposed to find f of 2. F of 2 will be equal to, here 2 is going to replace this x, so it is going to work in the place of x squared. So we're going to write 3 and 2 is going to replace this x, so we have 2 squared then plus 2, which is equal to 3 times 2 squared is equal to 4, then plus 2. Now here we have 3 times 4, then plus 2. Here we will get 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14. This is the first question. Second question is if fx is equal to, we have fx which is equal to x squared plus 1, which is equal to over x minus 3, and we are supposed to find f of 4. Now we are going to replace this x in C and write 4. This x is going to be replaced by 4, to mean that here we have 4 squared plus 1 over 4 minus 3. This one will be equal to 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes. Now, this one will be equal to 17 over 1. To mean that f of 4 will be equal to 17 over 1, which is equal to 17. Now, we are reaching at question 3, which is, we have question 3, which is fx which is equal to fx equal to 2x squared plus 2 plus b. 2x squared plus b, which is f of x. Now here we have f of minus 2, which is equal to 10, and we are supposed to find the value of this b. Now what are we going to do? We have the value of negative 2, which is equal to 10. So let us try to replace this value we have here just for finding the value of b. Now we have the function to mean that x has been replaced by 2 minus 2, to mean that 2 times minus 2 squared plus b is equal to 10. 2 times negative 2, because this x has been replaced by minus 2, then plus b is equal to 10. Here we have 2. Negative 2 squared will be equal to 4, then plus b, which is equal to 10. Now 2 times 4 will be equal to 8, then plus b, which is equal to 10. Now this one, b will be equal to 10, this one will go there, then minus 8, b will be equal to 2. So thank you, keep watching, see you next time.